guys, welcome back. It's your girl Britt Alacious, and I am back with another shoe review. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button for more videos like this. Happy Shoes Day Tuesday. Yes, as promised, I said every Tuesday in April, I'm going to bring y'all a video. We're going to celebrate Shoes Day Tuesdays, and I'm bringing you another video today. For this month, I wanted to do designer and luxury pieces for you all to help you make your purchase and help you know what size to get and all that fun stuff. But it doesn't end today. I do have another pair of shoes that I bought that I want to review, and it's a nice staple piece that I believe everyone should have in their collection, and it's not that expensive. So stay tuned for that. That might be my next video. I don't know. That's why you got to subscribe so you can see what I'm doing, so you can see what the girl is doing. Of course, I want to bring you reviews and shoes that I know you would like to wear, and today I'm going to do that today. I consider this a staple piece. It is not heels, but I definitely think that they are great for the summer. You've heard them in songs, and I think you'll love this review. So let's go ahead and introduce the shoe. You already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the shoe. I just bought them, so I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to try them on so you can see how it looks on my feet. So let's go ahead and get into the shoe review. Can't stop, won't stop, TikTok. 10 white toes on the Tory flip-flops. Hey! I shouldn't do that again. But anyways, here's my shoes from Nordstrom's. Guess what they are? Tory Burch. Yes, Tory Burch. So yes, I typically don't review sandals, but I'm really excited to review them today because I have been wanting these shoes for a while, but I never wanted to spend the money for them because they are not cheap for some flip-flops. But hey, I'm reviewing luxury shoes. I do want them, so hey, here's the chance to buy them. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I do not have the shoe out of the box yet because I just bought them. So let's take a look at that. Super cute box. Can't we agree? Very beautiful, very colorful. And the inside is orange, even more cute. Oh yeah, these are the Miller sandals. If you guys don't know by the title, that is what I am going to be reviewing today. Here is the dust bag. Really cute. We got the T logo for Tory Burch. So really cute. You know, that's how you know it's official when it comes with a dust bag. If it don't, it ain't official. So here's the wrapping paper. It has the logo on it as well. So that's nice, really nice. Okay, and let's see. And here we go. Here's the flip-flop. The 10 white toes and Tory flip-flops. Now that was embarrassing. I don't know why I did that, but that's how y'all recognize it, you know? Y'all gotta know what I'm talking about. All right, so here is the shoe, the flip-flop, the Tory Burch flip-flop, the Miller sandals. All right, guys, so let's get into the details of these shoes. This is the Miller sandal in the vintage color. Just so you know, there's many other colors in this shoe, different variations. I know this one comes in black with maybe some gold accents, the details on the shoe, but I've also seen it in patent leather, and then I've also seen the shoe in, I believe, black with the actual logos, the T logos being in metal. So different variations of the shoe. Make sure you do your due diligence and check out the different colors on the website before you buy this pair. But I would say this is the classic pair that pretty much everyone has, and it looks good on black skin. So I recommend this color for first timers. That's what I went with. But okay, the price for this shoe is $198 on the website, and also that's how much it was at Nordstrom's, and of course with taxes, it's around $214, $215. For the making of this shoe, it is in leather. That's why I'm assuming it has that higher price tag. And also, I guess because it's Tory Burch. Yes, this is a little pricey for a sandal, but I think it's worth it. I do. Anyways, it is all leather. This is calf leather. We have the double T logo. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all, like when I was first looking at this, I did not see the T's. I was like, where are the T's now? I know this ain't the shoe because all I saw were like the circles. So silly of me, but you do have the double T's here. You have the cushion footbed, you have the rubber sole, and I guess the edges or somewhere it's supposed to be hand painted. Oh yeah, so the edges of this is hand painted. So, and it's also made in Brazil, so super duper cute. Definitely worth the investment if you ask me. But since it is leather, you can get wet spots on the shoe. So be very careful because you will have spots and it'll be darker if you get these shoes wet. So definitely take care of them. Only wear them out in the summer and the sun. Oh, and most importantly, the sizing. So there's been a lot of different variations of what people say you should get for the sizing, but most people say go up half a size, and I agree. I bought these in store and I tried them on, and I just went up a full size because they didn't have half a size, but the half a size would have been better fitting for me, and it's because of this right here and just having extra space. But I'll go ahead and try these shoes on for you all so you can see how they look on my foot. I recommend going up half a size. Make sure you do your due diligence and check other reviews, but I'm pretty sure that would be the best bet for you. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and try the shoes on so you can see how they look on my foot. So I have the shoe on for you guys. Again, this shoe color is the vintage Vincetta. And also I have a size 7 in them. I went a whole size up because they didn't have a 6.5. But go half a size up, and I'm going to show you why. I still have like a little room. My foot is well in the stitching, especially if my foot is like all the way, you know, pushed in. But as you can see, there is a lot of space right here, and I don't like that. Here's just another close-up of that so you can see. But I guess if you have a wider foot, it would work for you. So here is another angle of me in the shoes or sandals. I just want to provide just a different view, a different angle for you guys to see how these look on my foot. So I absolutely love these sandals, and I hope that I was able to help you make your decision on purchasing them. If you are purchasing them or you have that in your plans to purchase, if not, I am not telling you to run out and buy no $200 sandals. But if you want something that's cute and chic and, you know, a step up from your Forever 21 sandals, then I think these are perfect. So nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please leave comments or any questions you guys have. I will answer. Just talk to me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.